Sa video natin today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano gumawa ng TikTok Shop product listings that actually rank in search and get seen by buyers. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley, and if you've ever uploaded a product and wondered why no one can find it, ang video na to, this video is gonna break down the exact part of your listings that actually affect visibility. We're gonna cover how to write clear titles, pumili ng tamang keywords, mag-set up ng tamang attributes so TikTok actually understands what you're selling. Let's get into it. Start tayo from the beginning. Ano ba ang TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop is yung e-commerce feature sa loob mismo ng TikTok that allows creators and brands to sell products directly in the app. You essentially upload products, add photos and descriptions, and TikTok shows those listings sa mga users na naghahanap ng related items or nagbabrowse ng similar products. Kapag tama ang pagkakasetup ng product listing mo, TikTok can match it to the right searches at ipapakita to sa mga buyers na naghahanap talaga ng binibenta mo. When it's not set up well, your product can just sit there without getting any real visibility. So sa video na to, we're not focusing on how to open a TikTok shop or connect payouts. Those steps do matter, but this is separate. This video is about listing itself, yung title, keywords, attributes, at iba pang supporting details na makakatulong para lumabas yung product mo sa search results at talagang makakuha ng clicks. Before tayo mag-step back, it's helpful to understand the main parts of a TikTok shop product listing that affect search and visibility. Unahin natin yung product title. Ito yung unang nakikita ng buyers. When your product appears in search, isa rin to sa strongest signals na ginagamit ni TikTok to understand what your product actually is. Clear, search-focused titles matter more than anything else in your listing. Next is search keywords. So, keywords are additional words and phrases you can choose para matulungan sa TikTok na i-match yung product mo sa iba't ibang searches. This supports your title and help you show up for variations of what buyers type. Then, meron naman tayong attributes. So, attributes are the drop-down fields like category, brand size, color, at material. TikTok uses this to organize products, mag-apply ng filters, and decide which searches your listing qualifies for. And then of course, we have descriptions. So yung descriptions, tumutulong to para explain ang product sa buyers at mag-support ng relevance, but they are less important for ranking than titles and keywords. Mas important sila for clarity and conversions. We've also got images and media. So yung photos and videos mo don't directly control ranking, but they affect clicks and engagement. Better engagement can help your product perform better over time. Okay? Ngayon, i-breakdown natin kung paano i-optimize yung bawat part. So, magsimula tayo sa product titles at kung paano sila isusulat para ma-rank yung product mo. Title is one of the most important parts of your TikTok shop listing. It's how TikTok understand what your product is at dito rin nagde-decide yung buyers kung i-click ba nila. Unahin mo muna yung core search items. So, isipin mo kung ano yung mismong itatype ng buyer sa search bar. Yung title mo dapat nagsisimula sa mga words na yon. In the order na natural na itatype ng buyer. Halimbawa, kung nagbebenta ka ng bath towels, yung core search phrase mo is bath towels. That phrase should come first, not buried in the end. Halimbawa, imbes na magsulat ka na vague like high quality soft towels, mas strong na title yung bath towel set cotton absorbent. Kasi dito, naka-front and center yung search term. Next, mag-add ka ng relevant details. So, after yung main search phrase, you can add helpful details like material, quality, size, or use case, pero dapat accurate at useful talaga yung words like set, pack, cotton. Large or specific color is gonna help buyers understand exactly kung ano talaga yung i-click nila, and also help TikTok classify the products correctly. Kaya iwasan mo magdagdag ng extra words na pang-fill lang ng space. Kapag hindi naman importante yung detail para sa buyer, dapat wala rin siya sa title. Iwasan mo rin yung marketing language, so yung title dapat clear, hindi overly promotional. Mga words like best ever, premium quality, or must have, iwasan mo kasi hindi yan nakakatulong sa search and can actually make your listing less clear. Kung yung product mo by model name or number na hinahanap talaga ng buyers, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa dulo. If not, focus on plain language and a real buyer would use. Halimbawa, yung phone case title na iPhone 12 case, clear, slim, shockproof. Malinaw sa TikTok at sa buyer kung ano yung product. Ngayon, pipili naman tayo ng tamang keywords. So once your title is solid, keywords are gonna help you capture additional searches. Isipin mo yung keywords as supporting search terms. Buyers often search the same product in different ways, and keywords can help cover those variations. You want to start off by brainstorming search variations. Start by listing different ways someone might describe your product. Halimbawa, kung nagbebenta ka ng leggings, may ibang buyers na magsasearch ng workout leggings, yung iba yoga pants, at yung iba naman fitness tights. Lahat yan relevant variations. If you sell sunglasses, yung keywords mo dapat UV protection, polarized, or unisex depende sa actual product mo. Dapat relevant and specific ka lagi. So only use keywords that actually describe your product. Adding a broad or unrelated terms won't help at pwede nitong sirain yung relevancy mo. Halimbawa kung nagbebenta ka ng dog toy, don't add keywords related to cats unless talaga na pwede siya for both. Iwasan mo rin yung vague terms unless they truly apply. The closer your keywords match the product, mas maganda rin yung matching ni TikTok sa searches. Iwasan mo rin yung pag-repeat ng title. Hindi mo kailangan ulitin yung keywords na nasa title mo na. Alam na ni TikTok yung nasa title mo. Yung keywords, pag-expand lang siya ng coverage, hindi pag-duplicate. Kailangan mo rin pumili ng most realistic search variation at mag-focus sa quality over quantity. Ngayon, pipili naman tayo ng attributes na talagang makakatulong. So, yung attributes madalas na overlook to, but they actually matter so much more than sellers realize. These fields help TikTok categorize your product and allow buyers to filter search results. Unang gagawin mo, piliin mo yung specific category. Always select the most specific category available. If you're selling running shoes, choose the running shoes, not brand category like footwear or apparel. Kasi kapag broad yung category, mas mahirapan si TikTok i-match yung product mo sa tamang searches. Then, i-fill out mo yung size, color, and material. Yung product mo, may multiple sizes or colors. Ilista mo lang ng accurate. These attributes are gonna help your product appear when buyers use filters. Importante rin yung materials. If your towels are cotton, select cotton. Kung leggings mo naman is nylon and spandex, piliin mo yung pinaka-accurate na option. Mas accurate yung attributes mo, mas madaling maintindihan ni TikTok yung product mo. Ngayon, meron na tayong brand and feature attributes. So, if your product has a brand included, some buyers do search by brand name. Kung unbranded naman, piliin mo yung unbranded option kung meron. Yung feature attributes like waterproof, adjustable, or wireless should only be selected if they're actually true. Accuracy matters so much more than just trying to check every single box. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung pag-write ng description that supports search and sells descriptions. Hindi siya kasing bigat ng ranking like titles and keywords, pero importante pa rin siya. Write your descriptions clearly and honestly. Focus on what the product is and how it's used. Keep it simple and useful lang. So, explain what's included, how the product works, and any details buyers need to know before purchasing. Mas okay yung short and clear paragraphs kaysa sa sobrang habang text. Hindi mo rin kailangan i-overdo. Sagutin mo lang yung mga tanong na posibleng nasa isip ng buyer. Gusto mo rin gumamit ng natural language. So, pwede ka maglagay ng phrases na align sa search intent but don't forget keywords. Halimbawa, yung sentences na running belt holds your phone securely during workouts. Natural siyang pakinggan at nakakapag-support ng relevance without feeling spammy. Optimizing images and media, hindi siya directly nagko-control ng ranking pero malaki ang epekto ng clicks and engagement. Your main image should clearly show the product against a clean background. Buyers should immediately know what they're looking at. Yung additional image mo magpapakita ng different angles, products in use, or size comparisons. Short videos can also help buyers understand the product even faster. Just make sure your images match your title. If your title says red cotton towels, your image should clearly show red cotton towels. So ngayon, gusto ko lang i-touch kung anong makukuha mo if you use our link down below. So once you click our link to sign up for TikTok Shop as a new seller, ang makukuha mo is pwede mong i-kickstart yung business mo with up to $19. The new seller rewards, may $0 setup fee din kaya pwede mong completely i-launch yung task and earn up to $19 through the Ace Kid XR program. You also can scale with performance-driven incentives so yung emerging sellers can compete in January GMV sprint to win up to $10,000 in ad credit. So kung gusto mo mag-sign up, make sure na gamitin mo yung link namin sa baba. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung pros and cons para mag-decide kung worth it ba talaga mag-invest ng time sa paggawa ng strong product listings. So, writing product listings that rank on TikTok Shop have really amazing benefits, pero meron din siyang limitations. On the plus side, kapag in-optimize mo yung title, keywords, and attributes, can just make your product easier to find when people search for terms you've included. Your product is more likely to show up in results and just get noticed. Pwede itong mag-lead sa more clicks and more sales over time kapag ginawa ng tama. Another advantage is well-structured listing. Nagbibigay siya ng clarity sa buyers. When someone sees a clear title and accurate attributes, mas naiintindihan nila agad kung ano yung product, which can boost buyer confidence and reduce returns or questions. Pero on the flip side, ranking on TikTok Shop is not instant. Kailangan talaga ng konting trial and error. To figure out which terms and keywords actually bring traction, kailangan mo minsan i-update yung titles and keywords over time kasi nagbabago ang trends or as you learn what buyers are actually selling for. Also, yung TikTok Shop search algorithm hindi fully transparent even if you follow best practices. There's no guarantee of front page ranking because the platform considers engagement, conversions, and other signals. So, optimization helps pero hindi siya yung only factor sa visibility. Kapag nagbebenta ka sa TikTok Shop at gusto mong lumabas yung listing mo sa search, essential talaga na matutunan mo kung paano i-optimize yung titles, keywords, and attributes. This approach works well for sellers who want to think like buyers and make sure TikTok understands what their product actually is. Pero kung konti lang yung listings mo at casual lang, hindi mo masyadong priority yung search visibility, deep optimization may feel a bit unnecessary. If you want more eyes on your listings and clearer systems to follow, yung framework na to magbibigay sa'yo ng solid place to start. Alam ko kung gaano ka-frustrating yung mag-upload ng products tapos hindi mo alam kung ba't di sila kumikita. But small changes to your titles, keywords, and attributes can make a really noticeable difference over time. Kung gusto mo mag-sign up sa TikTok Shop, make sure you use our links down below. I just want to mention na affiliate links sa mga to, which means pwede kaming kumita ng small commission pero wala namang additional cost for you. So, kung pipiliin mong gamitin yung links namin, sobrang thank you agad in advance for supporting our channel. Malaking tulong siya para makapag-continue kami gumawa ng free content just like this. This channel is dedicated in helping you build simple and effective e-commerce skills that actually help you grow. At wag mo rin kalimutan i-like yung videos at mag-subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Of course, mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig ng thoughts mo. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.